Welcome to x5.com.au. Today we're going to be looking about the cash register. This is one of our X5 new product. Come with the key, pepper roll, power cord, turn on power, and also connect into your computers just in case.
Stop.
And the lady's going to be showing you how to use that.
技术的问题，有其他的装着实录。
And this one also have a special function just right underneath this, just in case you forgot the key. This button, if you press here, it actually have an emergency where it can just pick off the cash register. And this one come with master key. The master key is actually can turn the different control level. And the other key is probably only for a supervisor, just only operating the key. And probably the other one is also for the setting key. As you can see, I only can turn this up to this much. But the master key, you can up to the right level where you can do the setting. All of this is explained in the manual on how you're going to be using this. We are not an expert, but we can try to explain as much as we know and all the different information in this booklet, included in the packaging. Thank you very much. James is reporting from x5.com.au.